When you think of Miami's waterfront condos, you think of expensive, out of reach, and only for the rich and famous. And guys, in many cases, you will be right. However, it is still possible to live in Miami and have some of Miami's best water views, all while not breaking the bank. And that is exactly what we have in store for you guys today when I show you this gorgeous 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in the heart of downtown Miami. So let's just get started. Okay, so real quick, if you're new to my channel, first and foremost, welcome. My name is Vargas, and every single week I post a real estate video just like this one. So if you're into knowing more about the Miami real estate market or would like to see more property tour videos, then consider subscribing by clicking that subscribe button below and clicking that notification bell. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, I did want to clarify something that I said earlier, which is about not breaking the bank, because we are seeing a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condo in the heart of downtown Miami for $3,200. Now, before you say $3,200, Steven, since when is that not breaking the bank? $3,200 is $3,200. That's a lot of money. And guys, I agree with you. That is a lot of money. But what I'm trying to get across is that $3,200 for this view, for this product on the same building is very affordable. There's some buildings just a few buildings away that are going to charge 4, 5, if not 6 times the rent for the same view. So when you could pay significantly less amount of money for basically almost the same view and similar type of product, then you start to see the affordability factor and how that comes in. Now, I've also said in other videos, and I've talked about the roommate situation in other videos, how a lot of people are starting in a room together and how that could be a great way to get very expensive properties at an affordable rate. Now, if you're in the position to be a roommate or you already are rooming with somebody, then you're in a good position, because at $3,200, that's $1,600 per person, and that's gonna come with water, cable, and internet, and that is even before we start to negotiate the price with the landlord. So I say all of that to kind of encompass the fact that I'm not trying to downplay the $3,200. I don't want to get any comments saying that $3,200, I'm crazy if I think that that's affordable. But what I'm trying to show you is the value that you can get with a similar size or similar type of building with a similar product, and definitely the same view in the same street, and how you can save a lot of money and not just picking the most expensive building. And also how if you're in a roommate situation, this quickly becomes very affordable and very doable in consideration to the Miami market, right? So that's all I wanted to get across. Hopefully that's how it comes off. And yes, end of rant. Let's get with the property tour. As we arrive to the building, we will be passing through the west part of downtown Miami. In this area, you will find more office and commercial space with some great places to grab a bite or go out for a drink. Originally, downtown Miami had very little residential space, and any sign of life was reserved between the hours of 9 to 5. However, this has dramatically shifted in the last 10 years as developers and residents alike flock to downtown, and that once quiet neighborhood is now thriving with many new projects and developments slated to arrive in the near future. Today we're seeing 50 Biscayne, and as the name suggests, it's located on Biscayne Boulevard, which is the most residential part of downtown Miami. 50 Biscayne sits right across from Bayfront Park, where the famous electronic music festival Ultra has been held countless times. You're also walking distance to Whole Foods, Bayside Marketplace, American Airlines Arena, and the Perez Art Museum. You can easily jump on the mover as well for quick access to those hotspots. Now, let's grab the keys and head up to the unit. 50 Biscayne is 57 stories tall, was completed in 2007, and developed by the Related Group. It has 24-hour valet service, lobby attendant reception area, fob system for added security, and the amenities include a lap pool, outdoor cabanas, fitness center, spa, sauna, and a business center. This 2-bedroom plus den is not only stunning, but spacious as well. At 1,363 square feet, there's plenty of room to stretch your legs. The open floor plan blends the living room and the kitchen together seamlessly, and the light porcelain floor do a great job in keeping the unit airy. This living room is great for a large sectional and has plenty of room to add a dining table to really fill out the space. One of my favorite parts about this layout are the split bedrooms, because the rooms are across from one another, which makes this floor plan very popular. Oh, and did I mention that it has a den? This is great for an office, or it can be used as an additional guest bedroom. The guest bathroom is rather large and comes with a dual sink vanity and glass enclosed shower. Both the den and the guest bedroom have dual access to the bathroom. Leading into the guest bedroom, immediately you're greeted by the view. Both bedrooms have access to the balcony, which is a nice touch you don't really find nowadays.
It also has a walk-in closet, so closet space should not be an issue. The views overlook Bayfront Park, Bayside Marketplace, and let's not forget about Biscayne Bay. The great thing about this property are the views that you get from every single room. So whether you're entertaining in the living room or watching TV in the bedroom, the water views can always be seen. Moving into the master bedroom, you'll notice that it's much larger than the other room, great for a king-size bedroom set. This master bathroom comes equipped with a dual sink vanity and glass enclosed shower just like the other bathroom, but this one has a bonus in it that it has a tub. Closet space is also not an issue. This master has 2 closets, one of which is a walk-in. Okay, and last but not least, you have the stunning views seen throughout the property. We've arrived to everyone's favorite part of the video, which is when I take the time once again to remind you that if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and click that subscribe button and that notification bell found on the bottom right-hand corner of the screen or wherever it's found, and become a subscriber right away, because again, I post a video once a week and I don't want you guys to miss a thing. And guys, if you found value from the video and the information that I shared, then go ahead and show your love and support to the channel by clicking that thumbs up button. It really helps me out a lot, and sharing this video to someone who you think may find value from it as well. And guys, as always, thank you so much, especially if you made it this far, and I'll see you all next week.